Hi everyone, today our topic is how to identify duplicate records or rows in our data range or in our file. So let's say we have this range here. We have the city, the product, the unit sold, and sales price. These are unique records. We wanted to know duplicate records just in case before we proceed with our analysis or with our pivot table. We just wanted to check if this data range have duplicate records or duplicate rows. So let's try to duplicate one record or one row, probably this one. I'll just copy and then I'll just paste it down below. So one way of identifying duplicate records or rows is through the Home tab. Let's highlight first the Home tab and conditional formatting. Then highlight sales rules, duplicate values. So if I decide to choose duplicate values, any values inside the cell which are duplicate will be highlighted. We don't want that option. We want only records or rows that are duplicate to be identified or highlighted. I'll click cancel. One way of doing this is we need to create a unique value for each row. To do that, we will use the Concat function. This is a new function inside Office 365. If you don't have Concat, we can use Concatenate. But for this example, we'll use Concat first. Concat, and then we highlight the whole range, and then close parentheses, and we'll just copy it down. So what it does, it just join each cell to create a unique cell inside this formula. So if we don't have Concat, we'll decide to use Concatenate. We need to choose each cell and then followed by comma. So both will give us the same result. So let's try to delete concatenate. So once we have the unique values in each cell, we can highlight that range and we can now go to Home, conditional formatting, and highlight sales rules, and then duplicate values. Then you can change the color and then click OK. So now we know that these two records here are duplicate because we just copied this record, the last row, from this record here. So thanks for watching and see you next time.